Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the frustrating error code FH205 in Forza Horizon 6, which claims your graphics card is not supported. This usually triggers because the game's strict engine requires explicit DirectX 12 feature levels and enhanced barrier support, which confuses older drivers or integrated laptop chips. To bypass this check completely, you need to perform a clean driver installation. Completely uninstall your current display software using Display Driver Uninstaller. Then head directly to the official NVIDIA or AMD website to manually download the latest game-ready driver architecture released specifically for this title. If you are gaming on a laptop, Windows might be accidentally attempting to launch the heavy open-world engine using your low-power integrated Intel or AMD CPU processor instead of your high-performance dedicated GPU. To fix this, open up your Windows Graphics Settings menu, click Browse, add the main Forza Horizon 6 executable file to the list, select Options, and lock it to High Performance. Apply the changes. Run the application as an administrator to force a clean system hardware scan override, and you will be back out racing on the gorgeous neon streets of Japan without any hardware blockage. Subscribe the channel for more videos.